Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange.
So, how to quickly fix your network problems? It is very simple and very easy. We need to run three little commands to rectify all kind of network problem. Let's start do it. These are the three commands. First, you need to click the search button. There you need to type cmd, then run as administrator. Press yes. Then you need to type this command and press enter. Okay, then the second command, hit enter. Then the third command, hit enter. Finish. After that, you can restart your PC and check your problem is resolved or not. All the commands are in my description box. You can check it out and try in your PC. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.
If you like it, give a thumbs up to my video and comment and subscribe please. Thanks for watching.